Hello there, dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden crafts project ideas by talking woodworking as a profound form of personal expression. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Woodworking is a profound form of personal expression that allows artisans to convey their creativity and unique style through the manipulation of wood, a natural material that has fascinated humanity for centuries. Engaging in woodworking is not merely about creating functional objects. It is a deeply artistic endeavor that reflects the individual's thoughts, emotions, and personal aesthetics. Each piece crafted from wood becomes a canvas for artistic expression, showcasing the artisan's vision and approach to design. The choice of wood species, the techniques employed, and the finishing touches all serve as a means of communicating the artisan's identity and sensibilities. For instance, selecting a rich, dark hardwood like walnut can convey a sense of sophistication and elegance, while opting for a lighter wood like pine may suggest a more rustic, laid-back vibe. This initial selection is often the first step in expressing one's creativity, as the inherent characteristics of the wood itself can inspire the direction of the project. The grain patterns, color variations, and textures of different woods provide a unique backdrop, influencing the design process and allowing the artisan to work in harmony with the material. The act of shaping wood through various techniques, such as carving, joinery, and turning, further enhances the personal expression found in woodworking. Each technique carries its own aesthetic implications and can be used to communicate different styles. For example, intricate carvings can imbue a piece with a sense of detail and craftsmanship, while clean, minimalist lines may reflect a modern aesthetic focused on simplicity and functionality. The process of working with wood requires not only skill, but also a deep understanding of the material's properties, which in turn fosters a unique relationship between the artisan and their work. This relationship is often personal and introspective, as artisans experiment with various techniques and styles to discover what resonates with them. The iterative nature of woodworking allows for continuous exploration and refinement, enabling individuals to push the boundaries of their creativity and evolve their personal style over time. Texture is another significant aspect influenced by the choice of finish. A matte finish, for example, can provide a soft, understated elegance that makes the piece feel more tactile and approachable. This type of finish invites touch, allowing the viewer to appreciate the craftsmanship and the wood's natural feel. On the other hand, a high-gloss finish lends a sense of modernity and refinement, enhancing the visual drama of the piece, but potentially creating a barrier that distances it from the viewer's tactile experience. Artisans often grapple with these contrasting effects, as the texture of a finish can either invite interaction or create a sense of distance, depending on the intended emotional response. Additionally, textured finishes achieved through techniques such as distressing or applying a patina can imbue a piece with a rustic or vintage quality, adding layers of narrative and emotional depth. These finishes tell a story of age and wear, connecting the viewer to the history of the material and the craftsmanship involved in its creation. The impact of color in finishing cannot be overstated, as it dramatically alters the mood and style of woodcraft items. Stains can either deepen the wood's natural hue or introduce entirely new colors that align with current design trends or the artisan's personal preferences. A dark stain can evoke a sense of richness and warmth, making it suitable for traditional or classic decor, while lighter stains can create a fresh, airy feel that complements modern, minimalist aesthetics. In cases where opaque paints are used, the transformation can be even more pronounced, allowing for bold expressions of creativity that incorporate bright colors or intricate patterns. This versatility in color manipulation enables artisans to adapt their work to fit various themes and environments, effectively communicating their artistic identity and vision. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the interaction between finish and lighting plays a crucial role in how a piece is perceived. Different finishes reflect light in unique ways, which can change the overall appearance of the item depending on its surroundings. A glossy finish may create striking reflections that enhance visual interest and draw attention, while a matte finish absorbs light, offering a more subdued and intimate feel. This dynamic relationship allows for a greater depth of expression, as the piece may appear differently throughout the day as lighting conditions change. Such variability can add layers of intrigue and engagement for the viewer, making the experience of interacting with the piece more dynamic and multifaceted. Furthermore, the choice of finish can also reflect cultural and historical influences. Certain finishing techniques and materials may be rooted in specific traditions or eras, allowing artisans to pay homage to their heritage while expressing their individuality. For example, using traditional oil finishes popular in historical furniture making can evoke a sense of nostalgia and respect for craftsmanship, while contemporary synthetic finishes may align with modern design philosophies focused on durability and ease of maintenance. This intersection of tradition and modernity allows artisans to navigate their creative expression within a broader context, contributing to the ongoing dialogue about design and aesthetics in woodworking. The emotional impact of a well-chosen finish can create a deeper connection between the artisan and the viewer. When a piece is finished thoughtfully, it transcends its functional purpose and becomes a medium for storytelling. Each finish choice communicates something about the artisan's intentions, their relationship with the material, and their understanding of the piece's context. For instance, a handcrafted dining table that showcases the wood's natural beauty through a simple oil finish may evoke feelings of warmth and togetherness, inviting families to gather and create memories. In contrast, a sleek, modern console table finished with high-gloss lacquer may convey sophistication and contemporary style, appealing to those who appreciate minimalism and elegance. This ability to evoke emotions through aesthetic choices underscores the significance of finishing as an integral part of the creative process. Additionally, the sustainability of finishes is an increasingly relevant consideration in the modern woodworking landscape. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many artisans are turning to eco-friendly finishes that minimize harmful effects on both the wood and the environment. These sustainable options often feature natural oils and low VC formulations that maintain the wood's integrity while contributing to a healthier indoor atmosphere. The choice to use environmentally responsible finishes can further enhance the narrative of a piece, aligning the artisan's values with the aesthetics of their work. This conscious decision-making not only reflects a commitment to sustainability, but also resonates with consumers who prioritize ethical craftsmanship, creating a deeper connection to the final product. The choice of finish in woodworking plays a crucial role in shaping the overall aesthetic expression of crafted items, influencing their visual appeal, texture, color, and emotional resonance. Finishes serve as a means of highlighting the natural beauty of the wood, creating depth and richness while also allowing for personal and cultural narratives to unfold. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.